Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can easily sign PDFs using Acrobat. To sign a PDF, open the PDF to sign. Next, select Fill and Sign from the Forms and Signatures area of the Tools Center. The screen displays the Fill and Sign toolbar as well as the Fill and Sign pane. Click the Sign Document by typing or drawing a signature button in the Fill and Sign toolbar. The button expands to display two options. Click the Add Signature option. Acrobat then displays the signing screen. There are three ways to sign a PDF from this screen. First, you can click the Type button at the top of the screen and then use your keyboard to enter a signature. When you type your name into the field, Acrobat displays the text in a handwriting style. You can click the Change Style drop-down to select from several handwritten font types. You can also click the Draw button at the top of the screen. This option lets you use your computer's mouse to click and drag to apply a signature to the document. For users of touchscreen devices, this method produces results that appear similar to traditional paper signatures. Finally, you can click the Image button at the top of the screen to apply an image in the signature field. This method is useful for applying a logo or another visual highlight along with the signature. Before using this method, you must prepare and save an image that will be used. As you enter information, the signature screen displays your entries. Notice the Save Signature checkbox in the bottom left corner of the screen. Check this box to preserve your chosen signature for future use. When you are satisfied with the look of the signature, click the Apply button. The dialog box closes and your mouse pointer turns into a signature tool. Click to place the signature in the appropriate spot in the PDF. If you previously clicked the Save Signature checkbox, Acrobat saves the signature for later use. In addition, an informational dialog box appears the first time you use this, informing you that existing form fields will not be editable after a form with the signature or initials has been saved. You'll also notice a small toolbar above the newly placed signature. You can use the toolbar to enlarge or reduce the size of the signature. You can also use the trash can button in the toolbar to delete the signature.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.